Hello guys, welcome back to my another video, specifically in Dubai Creek. Now I'm going to explore the creek of Dubai. Okay, this creek is actually traditionally used as the trade and transportation of the Dubai. Okay, I think this creek is extended around 1200 meters, and depth of the creek may be 7 meters. So I will show you the creek here. From my background you can see this. Okay, so I'm going to, a lot of tourists are here, they are waiting there. Okay, creek, you can see here now lovely boats. This creek is a saltwater inlet. See this? The creek is located in the heart of the Dubai. The creek separates the two major districts, Deira and Bur Dubai. This creek have played a significant role in transformation of the Dubai into a megacity it is today now. This creek has become the commercial hub of the Dubai. The creek is one of the leading tourist destinations in the city. You can see here the traditional style wooden boats and cruise ships, all these things you can find here. Creek has served as a safe harbor to trade in the Arabian Gulf. This creek is also called River Zara. See this very lovely and beautiful creek. In earlier days, this is the center of the pearl diver. They use more than 3,000 boats for pearling purpose. Earlier, these people, they are depending on this pearling. Pearl? These are taken from the bottom of the sea. So they are only depending on this. Here you can see some you can see the reflection of the light from water. It's very nice. Background, you can see this. Different variety of colors. Your time, that is nearly 12 a.m. midnight. Some boats are there, I think they are leaving the boat. But if you come here evening, you can see more crowd here. This area is the Deira area. If you want, you can go to the BurDubai. Here one small ferry boats are there. They will charge you 1 dirham. This is the boat, this type of boats. You can go. These are the small ferry boats. You can see here one big cruise boat. This is the boat. Evening they will depart from here and go to the main sea. Oh, this is I think cars and charges. What they are taking, I don't know. This one. What is that? That one? These are like cruise. Yeah, you can see this is passenger. Yeah, fully air conditioned. Okay. See here, this is called the. Okay, what about this boat? Do cruising. You can say like that. It's a very huge one. It's made of wood. It's seems like bungee, See this? This is called the do boat. You come here, you will get a different vibe here. Very nice. You are over here. Now the temperature is also not that much. It's 26 degrees. are heading towards the cargo port. Five-star hotel, you can see there. Radisson Blu. Dubai municipality, you can see this. This is Rolex. This all are the cruise boat, na Sajid? This one? See, this all are the cruise boats. See, they are fully illuminated, different variety of colors to attract the tourist. See the DJ music. DJ music. This one. This is Dubai. Here you can see this is the Dubai municipality and this is the five-star hotel Radisson Blu, and this is the Rolex tower. You can see this is the Rolex. See the view over here. It's very nice. A boat, tourist boat. If you want to visit Dubai, you should have to come, I think, November, December, that time. So whole city you can walk around here because the temperature is 26 degrees, fully air conditioned temperature. But during hot climate, nobody will come because of the temperature is here very hot. Yeah, these are the dog boats. This is very huge. Fully air conditioned. This is a tourist destination. See, these are the boats. cruise boats. Very huge one, you can see from here. This. The restaurant. In this creek, this is the main area for transportation of the goods, cargo. You can see from here this wooden boat. Some of them are exported. See this all of the cargoes. Here. I think import take place here. This lot of cargo. See that ship, big car also they can take and I think this is a supermarket or restaurant, something like that. Here you can see this is the boat jetty. This is the boat jetty, and you can find here these small ferry boats. So we are searching for that. I think it may be here, somewhere here. Is that? Okay, let's go near. Some people are going there that side. Okay, we are leaving from Deira to BurDubai. You can see that side. That is the BurDubai. See, this is the small boat, ferry boat. This is the one. Okay. This is the midnight also. They are traveling from Deira to BurDubai. Night 12 a.m. Okay, this boat will take from here to there, I think 15 minutes, and they will charge you 1 dirham each. See, the people are boarding the boat. Yeah. It's a small boat. It's 24 hours they are servicing here. At any time you come here, you can go from here to there like that. 24 hours. Okay, I'm going to end this video here, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, and I need your support. Thank you very much.